Yo, man, same day, but a different day. You know, nah, same day, but different video. All right, so today, what we working on, man? This is the steering wheel came on my old Chevy. I gotta send a picture to my guy, let them know that I found it. You know, they needed that for that one. So we about to take this loose. Y'all can see, man, she got blue around it, but we about to take that loose with it gone, and of course, put the pink steering wheel on it, you know what I'm saying? To go and bring it out, man. We're gonna, why not? You know what I'm saying? What it look like. So set this on. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 8 screws in here. What we have. Good thing about this steering wheel, it was black and it already got painted blue. So, you know, plastic is gonna stick.
Looking like, hey, doing when you get all these shit, man, shit, nigga, I just be searching. Nigga, I feel on marketplace, credit list, you gotta be careful, these nigga be searching. You got that money, that shouldn't be hurt. You gotta be careful, these nigga be lurk. That's why I bought my projects for to be a nigga, I do it on purpose.
All right, man, we're gonna let that dry. Get back with y'all, man. She gonna go hard, guys. I know she gonna go hard. So, y'all just bear with me, man. Sometimes you don't see the vision right then, but it's not for everybody to see the vision right then. It's for the ones that know that person have a vision, and then you just got to bring it to reality. So just stay tuned, guys, and like I said, we're gonna go ahead and finish the steering wheel, and we're gonna go on and grab some stuff for the car. We'll catch y'all back. All right, so y'all see it, we got the pulley for the steering wheel. It was like $21, and we got the die, so we got to get another can. I'm probably gonna need 3 or 4 cans of it, but I'm gonna start with 2 to make sure, you know what I'm saying, and go from there. And so I went ahead and bought 2. They had 2 in there, so that's a good thing. So I got 3 total. Man, we working, you know what I'm saying? Some steering wheel time now. So I'm finna go ahead and scoot it up so I can get in the shade. So I won't be out here, I can get in the shade. Big boy 28s. Y'all see it, man. Big boy 28s. You know what I'm saying? Cut though, man. You gotta be a bad motherfucker to get that on there like that. All right, so let's take a look at the steering wheel. I put a little more on it and dry, and y'all can see it now. As we get to it, she gonna flow, guys. Trust me, she gonna look good. Now, what I'm about to do now is let that dry. Go ahead and take the rest of it up. Oh, got my pulley here. Going to take the other nut. Trying to see what they doing. They be nosy, looking, going around looking and shit. All right, so my first time doing this. So I know it's got 2 bolts, one back here, one back here. It might be a cell. So let me see if I can find a cell. One of these I can find. Cell, boom. Stand wheel day.
You gotta stay up in your own lane. Gotta do your fucking own thing. Cause they gonna talk down on you. These niggas so fucking lame. These niggas so lame on me. Man, this shit's so lame on me. You gotta stay strong. Gotta move on. Gotta go the other way, say. But you can't do what he say. Can't do what she say. Gotta stay up in your own lane. Gotta stay up in your own lane. Every time I be waking up, I be like, what the fuck? Man, you already know what's up. I be like, that's what's up. I'm standing in my own lane. It's a fucking shame. Niggas don't wanna see you make it. Man, goddamn. They gon' be talking all day. Just get up on my way. I don't like that face shit. Hell no. What the fuck you talking about me for? Man, you supposed to be my brother.
All right, trying to get y'all the idea of what we got here. So after you take the E2 bolts off, it's gonna be this right here. So I'm pretty sure you get something to pull this off. And we're gonna see how the hell to use this. All right, guys, so it's a 21 millimeter. One bad at all. Yeah, it's the hard part now.
All the shit that you said to me, said you gon' be better than me. We out here tryna get this cheese, supposed to be my G. All this shit don't matter to me. All this shit that you said, man, don't matter to me. Man, all this shit, man, so crazy. You supposed to have my back, you was supposed to be my G. This shit fucked up, now I'm falling on my knees. Now I gotta get back on my feet, yeah. This shit is so crazy. That's how it is. But you can't do what he say. Can't do what she say. Gotta stay.
I cut y'all back on. Let me see what I come up with.
Gotta stay up in your own lane. Every time I be waking up, I be like, what the fuck? Man, you already know what's up. I be like, that's what's up. I'm standing in my own lane. It's a fucking shame. Niggas don't wanna see you make it. Man, goddamn. They gon' be talking all day.
One more time.
Just get up on my way. I don't like that face shit. Hell no. What the fuck you talking about me for? Man, you supposed to be my bro.
Damn, why ain't you just do this shit the first time? Look at this shit. I went to AutoZone and got the right one. I done fuck around here. I done waste my money now, man. I done got this one. That shit don't work, guys. Definitely get one of these. But we got the steering wheel out now. So, yes, she's about to be out now. Man, I should have did that the first time. But like I said, this is my first time taking a loose, so I didn't know. But now we know. All right, now, so we got this dried up, man. We're finna go on and snatch it on here, go on and put it back on the, oh yeah. Go on and put it back on the thing right here, and we good. Now we'll show y'all what it'll look like. Okay, okay. All right now, hey, watch it, self boy. Hey, we getting it, man. We working, guys. So let me go ahead and put this on. Get back with y'all, man. I got a lot of oil on my hands, so I don't want to get it too dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on, man, and put the steering wheel on. We'll show y'all what it look like, man. We'll show the results, man. Stay tuned. Yes, sir. All right, man. We are finally done. Finally done. So y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Yes, sir. That's it, man. Y'all stay tuned to the next video, man. This is what we got right now. That's what we got, man. Yes, sir. All right, man. Stay tuned to the next video. Yeah. What am I?